3, Penhole Drive, is situated close to all the town amenities you could ever want. You've got Lidl up there, you've got Marks and Spencer's food, you've got various other outlets as well as being close to Tesco's supermarket and the doctors, schools and everything you could possibly want, and in walking distance of the town as well. And easy access to the A30. What more could you want? This property has 3 bedrooms, and the first bedroom has ensuite facility and the other 2 rooms share the family bathroom. Downstairs you've got a lovely good size kitchen diner, plenty of room for your dining table, and a lovely comfortable lounge as well on the ground floor. The good thing with this property is it does have 2 garages, one under the coach house, the adjacent coach house, and the other one is adjacent to and attached to the property with a rear access. So a little bit more to offer here, and I would suggest that after watching this video you book a viewing. Thank you.